Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. And I want to make one adjustment, and then also, the first update though that needs to be made comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watch the videos from yesterday, hopefully you remember me talking about right around that $1.68 mark as support, and then this is just a classic example, of that rule playing out. So like I said, levels of support tend to act as resistance when they're broken. So the support was broken there. And then on the bounce, surprise, surprise, that's right where the price ultimately started to find some resistance right up there around that area. So keep an eye on that going forward. Again, that level is right up there around the $1.67, $1.68 mark. So that's the near-term level of resistance. In the event the price can push through there, then the next key level of resistance to keep a close eye on would be that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself downwards and get more and more relevant, but one step at a time. And like I said, that first step as far as resistance levels are concerned is breaking up through $1.68. Now this adjustment that I'm going to make is I'm just going to go ahead now that we have more data and move this level of support down to right here at $1.44. I move that down because with today's price action now behind us, we can see where the buyers were hanging out at in good full authority, and that becomes very clear right here at $1.44. So anytime the price get down around there is plenty of buying, and the bears were just never able to make any sort of progress down through there. So as far as kind of the story and what it's telling us, there are plenty of people willing to buy at $1.44. Now, does that mean that's going to guarantee to remain the case? No such thing as a guarantee, but as it stands right now, and that actually makes good sense now that I look back through the chart, you can see right around this $1.44 acted as support there, acted as support right there. So now it makes actually real good sense why the price is hanging up around that level there. So good sign to see that that $1.44-ish area is still acting as support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, next key overall area of support down there at about $1.25, give or take. So far so good. The price is holding above $1.44, but if the price cannot hold there, then next potential area of support right around $1.20 to $1.25. So one more week or one more day left this week. We'll see how things close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.